Do they guard their phone with their life? You know what I'm talking about. For instance, is their phone password protected? Is it always stuck in their pocket, in their pocketbook, in their car, truck, out of sight? Is it always on silent or face down? If you have someone in your life who behaves like this with their cell phone, you more than likely have something to be concerned about, probably something you need to find out. And I'm going to tell you how you can do it without having the phone or being anywhere near it. Plus, I'm going to show you how to do it without installing any software or any app to that phone. So first things first, what you need is an OTA spy app like the ones that are offered in ProSpy. OTA stands for over the air. These things are simple to use. It's artificial intelligence, AI, I'm sure you've heard about it. So it's minimal user input. All you have to do is download the app to your phone, enter the phone number of the phone you want to monitor, and then the app creates a remote connection between their phone and your phone over the internet. That's where they get the OTA from, over the air. Once that happens, you're going to be able to see those text messages and those WhatsApp messages and those GPS locations, plus social media apps and everything. Maybe there's something on their phone that you didn't know about. These OTA apps will extract everything there is to get off of that phone so you can get the questions to the answers you've probably been having for quite some time. Now, there's an OTA spy app demo you can take a look at. Just go to the bio, tap on that link in the bio, and then tap on the button that says OTA spy app demo. You get to see one of these things in action. A great example of how one of these apps works. You'll see the remote connection being established, and then you're going to see data being accumulated to that phone. It really is kind of cool, very simple, very fast, very easy. I know you probably don't believe it, but check it out anyway. I'm telling you, it'll work. Now, to get without installing any software or any app to that phone, simple, instantid.info. The best GPS locator you could possibly find. All you have to do is enter that telephone number into the search bar, and then Instant ID will give you their approximate location. To get the exact location, all you have to do is send a text message through the instantid.info system. And this is how it's done. So you're not going to see everything happens in the background. So you're not going to use your phone. You're not going to use your telephone number. And every search that takes place on Instant ID remains anonymous. They will not know that you're searching their phone number. So once that text is sent through the instantid.info system, as I said, it all happens in the background. They will not know. And then it reports back to you that phone's exact GPS location as a push pin on a Google map. Now, you could also track that phone's movement over a period of time simply by repeating the process, sending more text messages each and every time. You're going to get the exact GPS location. It doesn't matter if they're not answering your text. It doesn't matter if they're not picking up the call. It doesn't matter if they're not sharing location with you. They don't even need to have location services on for Instant ID to acquire their exact GPS location, because that's just not how it works, okay? So this is a great way to locate a phone. As I said, if they're not replying to you, they told you they're going someplace, you don't know where they're going, maybe you think they're lying to you, whatever, this is a great way to find out. instantid.info, and the links for both of these things are in the bio. So check it out. I'm sure it's going to take care of a lot of problems for you.